As a homeowner in Redmond, you understand that regular maintenance is key to keeping your home in top condition. One of the most important elements to maintain for both aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency is your windows. Proper care can extend the lifespan of your windows, reduce energy costs, and ensure your home remains comfortable year-round, no matter the weather outside. Redmond's climate, characterized by wet winters and mild summers, can take a toll on your windows, making maintenance even more important. Whether you have wood, vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum windows, here's how you can maintain your windows in Redmond for long-lasting performance. Regular cleaning of window glass. Over time, dirt, dust, and other environmental contaminants can accumulate on your window glass, obstructing your view and reducing natural light. Regular cleaning is essential not only for aesthetic reasons but also for maintaining your window's functionality. Use the right cleaning products. Choose a mild, non-abrasive cleaner and a soft cloth or microfiber towel to clean the glass. Avoid harsh chemicals or ammonia-based cleaners, as they can damage the glass over time. If you're dealing with stubborn grime, a mixture of water and vinegar works wonders. Clean frames and sills. Don't forget the window frames and sills. Dirt and debris can accumulate here, leading to moisture buildup that could potentially cause mold or mildew growth. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the frames and dry them thoroughly to avoid moisture damage. For wood frames, ensure they are regularly inspected for any signs of rot or peeling paint. Check and replace weather stripping. Weather stripping is designed to seal gaps between the window frame and sash to prevent air leaks, water infiltration, and dust. Over time, weather stripping can deteriorate, allowing drafts to enter your home and affecting the efficiency of your windows. Inspect regularly. Check the weather stripping around your windows annually, especially after the winter months. Look for cracks, tears, or areas where the weather stripping has pulled away from the frame. Replace as needed. If you find any damage, replace the weather stripping promptly. Weather stripping is inexpensive, and replacing it will help keep your home more energy efficient by reducing air leaks, ultimately lowering your energy bills. Inspect and maintain window seals. The seals around your windows play a vital role in keeping your home insulated and preventing water from entering. A compromised seal can lead to moisture accumulation between double-glazed panes, creating condensation and reducing insulation. Look for fogging. If you notice fogging or condensation between the panes, it's a sign that the seal has failed and needs attention. A broken seal can significantly affect the window's energy efficiency, so it's important to address this issue quickly. Repair or replace. If you have damaged seals, contact a professional to repair or replace the window panes. Seals can often be repaired, but in cases of severe damage, a full window replacement may be necessary. Lubricate moving parts. If you have windows that open and close, such as sliding windows or casement windows, regular lubrication of the moving parts is essential to keep them operating smoothly. Dry, squeaky, or stuck windows can be frustrating and lead to potential damage over time. Lubricate tracks and hinges. Use a silicone-based lubricant to lubricate window tracks, hinges, and locks. Avoid oil-based lubricants, as they can attract dust and grime, making the problem worse. Regular lubrication will help prevent rust, corrosion, and wear, ensuring your windows operate easily. Clean tracks. For sliding windows or patio doors, it's important to regularly clean the tracks. Dirt and debris can build up in the tracks and interfere with smooth operation. Use a vacuum or a damp cloth to clean the tracks, followed by a dry cloth to remove excess moisture. Inspect for damage and wear. Regular inspections of your windows are crucial to detect potential issues before they become major problems. Look for any cracks, gaps, or damage to the window frame, glass, or hardware. Check for cracks or chips. Small cracks or chips in the glass can quickly escalate into larger issues. If you spot any damage, have it repaired immediately to prevent further harm. For minor cracks, you may be able to apply a sealant temporarily, but a professional repair or replacement may be necessary. Look for frame damage. Wooden window frames are especially prone to rot or decay, particularly in areas with high humidity, such as Redmond. Regularly inspect wooden frames for signs of mold, rot, or peeling paint. Vinyl and fiberglass frames generally require less maintenance, but you should still check for any cracks or loose fittings that may need attention. Protect your windows from the elements. Redmond experiences heavy rainfall, especially during the winter months. Water can damage windows over time, particularly if the frames or seals aren't properly maintained. Keep drainage systems clear. Ensure that gutters and downspouts are clear of debris, allowing water to flow away from your windows. Clogged gutters can cause water to pool around the window sills and frames, leading to damage over time. Use storm windows. If you live in an area particularly prone to extreme weather, consider installing storm windows to add an extra layer of protection. Storm windows can help prevent the harsh elements from affecting your primary windows, especially during heavy storms. Professional inspections and maintenance. While DIY maintenance is essential, it's also a good idea to schedule professional inspections of your windows every few years. A professional can identify issues you may not notice, such as gaps in insulation or seal failure, and suggest solutions before the problem escalates. A professional inspection will also help ensure that your windows are properly sealed, functioning well, and still meeting your home's energy efficiency needs. Conclusion. Maintaining your windows in Redmond is essential for prolonging their lifespan, improving energy efficiency, and keeping your home comfortable year-round. Regular cleaning, seal inspections, lubrication of moving parts, and damage prevention are all key components of window maintenance. By staying on top of these tasks, you'll not only enhance the functionality of your windows but also avoid costly repairs in the future. If you're unsure where to start or need assistance with more complex maintenance tasks, don't hesitate to consult with a professional window service provider in Redmond. Keeping your windows in optimal condition will ensure that they continue to add value, comfort, and security to your home for many years.